guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the buzzword ChatGPT. I have answered all your questions from creating the account to using it. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So just to give you an overview what ChatGPT can do, I have asked ChatGPT to compare the Seagate 4 TB and WD hard disk and write a script for me so that I can create a video on it. The results are in front of you. It gives a great comparison and even summarize that in the last paragraph. So my script is ready. I just have to create the video. First question, how you can start using it? You have to search ChatGPT in Google, click on try chat. Then you have to sign up and create an account using your email ID. It just check that you should not be a robot, so people cannot write a script on it. Create your own account like I did. Now this page is open. I have to mention my name and phone number so that they can send me the code to verify my phone number. Now we can start using ChatGPT. I'll show you how. So I'm writing my first question, how to create a YouTube channel. Let's see what ChatGPT has for this question. So it is writing all the steps that I have to create my Gmail account, and then I can only create the channel. This is what I have done to create my YouTube channel. That's great. Now I'll show you another feature of ChatGPT. I have asked ChatGPT to write a small story for me. So this is the story of Maria in some countryside village. After finishing this, I have clicked on regenerated response. That means it is going to write another story for me because I didn't like that story. Whatever I'm going to write in this chat box, that is linked to the previous question asked or the answer given by ChatGPT. We can customize ChatGPT response, change certain things like a place, name, or anything in whatever script it is given to us. Like we talk to a human, we ask them to change in their written document. Here I asked to change the place of the story to some cafe, and the results are in front of you. If you don't want these responses to be linked, then you have to click on the new chat, and your next video script are getting ready. In my next video, I'm going to show how to change the script into voice. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I will see you on next video. And don't forget to share and subscribe.